Hello, Daren Nelson, Montana branch manager. After nearly 20 years in the industry, I've held a variety of roles from service technician to install technicians. I've been in sales for a little while, management for a while, project management for a little while. In 2019, I was fortunate enough to join the Long team as they look to expand the security business here in Montana. I helped facilitate the opening of the office here in Helena. Long has an existing office in Billings, serving really the eastern part of our state, and we saw an opportunity to move into the Helena marketplace with reach into a little more territories such as Missoula, Bozeman, Great Falls, and Butte, as well as still continuing to take care and develop our business in eastern Montana, based out of Billings. Earlier in 2021, I accepted the role as the general manager here in Montana. I can tell you I'm truly excited about the opportunity. I look forward to watching our business continue to grow, and surrounding myself with really the greatest employees that anybody could ask for. Long has a wonderful value system that's been instilled amongst everybody. Very happy, very excited to be a part of the team, and love to continue to watch our business grow. A little bit more about me. Born and raised in Montana. Probably don't ever see myself ever living anywhere else. I absolutely love it here. I obtained a degree from the University of Montana years ago, and very, very, very thankful for that. Well, I guess when I'm not working, you'll probably find me somewhere with my wife and kids. I have a wonderful wife of 22 years. I have a 19-year-old son who's currently serving us in the United States Army, and a 17-year-old daughter that's wrapping up her K through 12 education and trying to decide what's next for her. We enjoy spending as much time as we can out in the mountains, either running the Jeep up and down the hills, or if we're not there, you'll probably find us out in the middle of the lake somewhere, spending as much time out in our wonderful state, taking advantage of all of the resources as much as possible. Thank you, and I look forward to the future. Thank you.